In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up a chart of accounts in Xero. Your chart of accounts is the backbone of your bookkeeping. It's the list of all the accounts you use to track what your business owns, owes, earns, and spends. Getting this set up properly makes your reports clearer, your tax time easier, and your day-to-day bookkeeping much smoother. So let's walk through it step by step inside Xero. First, open your web browser and go to Xero's website. Log into your Xero organization as you normally would. Once you're signed in and looking at the main dashboard, you're ready to start working with your chart of accounts. At the top of the screen, you'll see the main navigation menu. Today, I'll show you how to find the chart of accounts from there. Move your mouse to the top menu and click on the option labeled Accounting. This is where Xero keeps most of the tools related to your financial records, like reports, bank accounts, and of course the chart of accounts. When the accounting menu opens, you'll see an item called Chart of Accounts. Now go ahead and click that. This will open the full list of accounts that already exist in your Xero organization. If you're using a template or you've just set up a new business, you'll likely see a default set of accounts for income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and equity. I'm going to walk you through how to add a new account to this list so you can tailor it to your business. Look for a button or link that lets you add a new account, usually labeled Add Account or something similar. Click that to open the account creation screen. Now you'll see a form where you can define the new account. The first key field to enter is the name. This should clearly describe what the account is used for. For example, you might enter something like office supplies, online advertising, or consulting income. Choose a name that will make sense to you and anyone else looking at your reports later. Next, you have the option to enter a description. This is usually optional, but I'll show you the easiest way to make use of it. Use the description to clarify when to use this account or to distinguish it from similar accounts. For example, use this account for all paper, pens, and general office consumables. Adding a short description can really help keep your bookkeeping consistent, especially if multiple people use the system. After that, you'll need to select the tax setting for the account. This tells Xero which tax rate to apply when this account is used on invoices, bills, or transactions. Choose the tax option that matches how this type of income or expense is treated in your region. If you're not sure which tax rate to use, it's a good idea to check with your accountant or bookkeeper before saving. Below the tax selection, you'll see a few checkboxes that control how this account behaves in Xero. You can choose to show the account on the dashboard watch list. This is helpful if you want to keep a close eye on certain accounts like key revenue streams or major expense categories right from your dashboard. You can also choose to show the account in expense claims. Turn this on if you want people submitting expense claims in Xero to be able to code their receipts or reimbursements to this account. Finally, there may be an option to enable payments to this account. This is typically used for certain types of liability or asset accounts where you might want to record direct payments. Only enable this if it suits the way you manage your payments and bank reconciliation. Once you've entered the name, optional description, selected the tax setting, and chosen any of those additional checkboxes, you're ready to save. Review the details to make sure everything looks correct, then click the Save button. Your new account is now part of your chart of accounts and ready to use in Xero. You can repeat this process to add more accounts and gradually shape a chart of accounts that fits your business perfectly.